places such that sai watu wanaenda Sianda.
Come with me, let's see the world. I will take you to places every boy and every girl. Don't be afraid to travel all over the world.
Hi guys, how are you? I hope mko fiti. Happy New Year 2025. 2025 is right here with us, and we thank God for blessing us with another year. So right now, in Nazareth Hospital, we have been bringing our grandmother for some checkups. Sita wa kliniki? Yeah. You grandmother, can you talk? Are they called clinic? My rather friend. So we are actually here, and I thought about taking you round in this place called Nazareth. This is part of Remuru, right? Grandmother's?
Remuru.
Is it Remuru? Okay. You are on it, right?
No, I'm okay. You're
okay. Right, guys. So good. So, from here, Nazareth Hospital, all the way to Ndumberi, I want to show you how that part has really grown. By the way, that part called Ndumberi, Dubai in Kenya, sai imeshikana na Kiambu town cause watu wamejenga manyumba and the place looks so nice. Before we go there, let me ask my grandmother what she knows about Nazareth. What do you know about Nazareth?
Nazareth yo kiroko tene muno. Tene. Ikiuka ona diary jake.
Speak in English.
Yake toto nyumba oguo no riwe tuika ni Nazareth gucha mokite riri marikiria amokaga
missionary
unaona ni moka guciria moka ri magikiona gondo gwa guikara kwega ri muru we ndorona na ndothe makwite ithaka guku ndorona na gweka te kwa kuri ithaka ni athungu
theri and your family as well.
Haha. Tumeona niko hime haho.
Yeah, actually. Yeah, tutaenda siku nyingine. Great grandfather yangu na ni uncle ya shosho anaishi huku kwa Bogu wa Munene. Right? Ni kwa huko wi? Hata wanafanana. Hiyo color, guys. So anyway, thank God that she's doing better. So I'll be taking her. By the way, let me tell you, we will be using a Pro Box from my uncle. Uncle yangu ni mtu wa biashara, so anakuwa na gari noma sana. Pro Box ndio Range Rover ya Kenya, by the way. Kama kwenyu hamuna hii gari, you guys, you need to do something in your family. Uncle, say hi.
Hi. How are you guys?
So that will be our driver, by the way. Na kama hamuna Pro Box, mtuambie tuwatafutie Pro Box. Hii gari inatoshea all the members of the family. Anyway, let's do this.
gĩcunjĩ kĩnene gĩa bũrũri wa Kenya.
Mautia moka gũkũmũndĩra kũhiana rĩ. Gũtirĩ wacomokaga. Okaga kawĩra arĩa ũtakiuna. Ũkiona rũi.
My grandmother is talking about the colonization. She's saying that the Wazungu need the whites. They took by force their land. No, rewari wa majeneti. No, rewari wa majeneti. So, ma'am. No, rewari wa majeneti.
Jigua guka. No kile ciarera.
So great grandfather yetu anastahili kulipwa by the way. Alikuwa part ya kuchapwa.
Uma no gutuonereri gacira tugatete.
Na wazungu. Toreho.
Na marehi.
Tunastahili tulipwe.
By the way, gukari. Jiguaga ehithire na mutianga wa na muti.
Ogire kahua kara nĩ tukare. Kare ya. Ogwo kira kamano. Mari upe. Atana ne hange teithia me.
Todo. Okay. Nego gwathi. Ucio ari mwena ũrĩkũ? Amuhũri-rĩ. Amuhũri nĩ ngati cia thũku.
Guys, I hope you don't mind. My grandmother is a storyteller. Anaweza kupia story from the beginning to the end. So you keep listening to her, please. Please.
Yeah.
Kuliitwa hivyo kwa nini? Kawaida. Kwani ilikuwa place ya kawaida, like it's normal.
Okay.
Oh, iko nyuma. But I can see people are making good houses. Let me show you. Yabe tigokora.
Cool. Oh.
Look at that house. To let bed sitter, 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom. Kama unatafuta nyumba kuja huko. The next part, it's tea. There's a lot of tea in that side. But I'll go and check for a clear place where I can show you tea in a clear way. Yep. Oh, Gatadai. There is this dam, and let me tell you, it's huge. Hii dam inaitwa aje? Kawaida.
Kawaida dam.
Kawaida dam. Like it's so huge. Look at it. Where? Alafu, you can see there is a lot of coffee from here. This is coffee all the way. You can taweza kusimama hapa all the way to there. Yep. The place looks so beautiful. If you come from this place, let me know in the comment section, because this place inakaa poa sana. And I think that's the reason wazungu walikuwa wanataka place inakaa hivi. By the way, I feel like I'm in Tigoni. There's a time I did a lot of vlogs about Tigoni. The car and proceed with our journey. As we do this, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Twende. Asanteni sana. Mbarikiwe. Muradhimo.
Mbarikiwe.
Hamtaki kusema amen?
Amen.
Hallelujah. Muradhimo. Ama hamusiki Kenya nasema ndio bwana. Hamujazoea. Mmoja nata Gikuyu. Let me tell you, kuri gitore yagira we. Kuri gitore mutu. Yes. Oh, nika convent. Just met with a Maasai. He's the one who is having those are goat or sheep? Sheep. Those are chips. Tunaona katu Nyeri. Isi yo ne boli. Ne. Kondo na gedeli. Kondo. But then uko na difference ya goat and sheep. Sijui kwa nini kwanga nako kashida. But zote ni mbuzi. Thank you. Ay, yo le voy a quedar frog y le decía, ¿cómo la hago chicamono? We're at a road trip. Oh, Queen of Angels Monastery. Okay, I feel there's some Catholic nuns who have maybe their convent there. Maybe, I'm not sure. But if you know, let me know in the comment section. Maybe this is your area. So of course you know a lot than I, who comes from Ikino. So let me know in the comment section. I want to show you another beauty and a dam. Next second got another dam. Now by the guys, like everyone has a pro box. So look at it, inakaa hivi. Kuna ka kurembo sana. That's the dam. Huko. I hope you can be able to see it. Inakaa hivyo. Then we are coming from that area. That's another pro box. Hey. Ni kurembo sana. So this is actually the tea. Personally, me I don't know how to chuna tea, like how they uproot it, I don't know. But then nilikuwa nimefunzwa another time, but I can't even remember the time when I was in Tigoni. But siwezi kumbuka even one point of how tea is done. But I know about coffee because hiyo ndio nimelelewa nikifanya. Let's go back. The place in the slide. I hope si wabo.
Hapana.
Kuna fish. Wow, okay, tozi. Fish. So hizi ni fish pots, but it's for individual, si kampuni. Oh, ni yakatadha. Ah, wow. Let me tell you guys, kuna kwanga na drama huku. Guys, hii familia yetu ni kama tunasai tufungue radio station because everybody talks.
Kuna mtu aliniambia mimi nikameme.
Hey, the way to higura kiria, the wajikos, whatever. This is the coffee I'm telling you about. There you go. So, at this moment, tunaenda kutokelezea Sianda kwa Jegawa Karume. Yeah, I'll show you that part. Then after that will be in Ndumberi. That place has really grown. That's the peak point where I want to show you guys. Jenga Karume comprehensive. Oh, right now has it to primary. Zilisha. It's comprehensive. Okay.
Kwa model primary.
Hiyo ndio unajuaga umezeeka. Umezeeka. Oh, this one goes to Remuru. Unaenda hivyo straight. Huku sasa ndio Sianda. Waje kwa Karume.